Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel, and in this video we are going to solve xy is 2, xz is 8, yz is 5, and we have to find the value of xyz. So let's start with the today's video solution. So first I'm considering this as equation number 1. Similarly, this as equation number 2, and this one is as equation number 3. Now I'm going to multiply these three equations together. So 1 multiply 2 multiply 3. So our left hand side becomes xy times xz times yz is equals to 2 times 8 times 5. So x times x is x square, y times y square, and z times z square is equals to 8 times 2 is 16 and 16 times 5 is 18. Now we can write it as x, y, z whole square is equals to 80. And here is a square. When it goes to right hand side, it becomes square root. So 80, we can write it as, by doing the prime factorization of 80, 2 times 2 times 2 times 5. So we can write this in terms of a square root. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 5, and we take the pair out. 2 times 2 and square root 5. So 4 root 5. So the value of xyz is 4 square root of 5. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.